Miss Myers is making peanut butter cookies. She needs 6 cups of peanut butter to 4 cups of sugar. Which graph represents the relationship between cups of peanut butter and cups of sugar? So if we look, our x is our cups of peanut butter, and our y's are our cups of sugar. Well, for every 6 cups of peanut butter, we need 4 cups of sugar. So I'm going to find peanut butter at 6 and see if that gives me 4 cups of sugar. A does, so A looks like it's the right answer off the bat. Now I'm going to just go and look for 6 cups of peanut butter and see if that matches 4. It does not, so B is wrong. Alright, now we need 6 cups of peanut butter to match 4 cups of sugar. However, it matches 6. C is wrong. Here, we want 6 cups of peanut butter to meet that 4 cups. It doesn't, it meets 7. Therefore, D is wrong, and A is the only answer.